And this is what you do.
Jennifer says, I tend to use the web flex for larger pieces.
Me too. That's what I was very prone to doing. But I was like, I'm just going to test it out. And I did bring my speed all the way down to 1. So I did it on speed 1. My blade, I don't want to say this wrong. I'm not going to say it. I don't know. It's on the website. And then so I'm just cutting. Some people remove the staples. I found it easier to just cut since I trim it anyways. I'm not a fan of staples, especially heavy duty ones.
Yeah, it seems like a lot of work.
Yeah. Yeah.
If you guys could share this video, that would be much appreciated. More people can see us do the reverse canvas with all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I bet you'd have one or two staples out in the amount of time that it would take
for sure.
to cut it around.
For sure.
Thank you, Jennifer.
What'd you say?
She shared it. Oh, Kathy shared it too. Thank you.
Yay.
Where are you located? We're located in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. It's about a half hour north of Philadelphia. We're actually right on the Delaware River across from Trenton, New Jersey.
And then this, legit, it just, peels right off.
Thanks for sharing, Donna. Hey, Bonnie. Or we could leave that on there too, right? That's in the back.
Yeah, you could totally leave it on.
Candy says, okay, nice, I love Philly. Well, come visit us.
Yes.
Thanks for sharing, Danielle. How's your weather there? Tina, it was freezing. It was like 8 degrees for a week, snow, rain, freezing everything. Today it warmed up to about 40. Tomorrow's going to be 50. It's really nice.
Very excited. And it feels much warmer because it was freezing.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so now I have my canvas off of my frame, which is actually a pretty nice frame. I was pretty shocked. And what I see people doing, what I would do is sand this down and then stain it. But for this live, I'm not doing that. Now, you have one of two options for this. You can either use it with the white background, or I actually really liked the off-white background too.
It's like the raw canvas.
Yeah, one of them, yeah.
Whatever they put on the canvas.
The finish.
Yeah.
Correct. So I just measured the inside of here and put that on my mat for the silhouette machine to get the size.
Pretty smart.
Of this.
Donna says freezing rain and snow here. Freezing rain, ice, snow here. Come here, it's a lot warmer. Candy says, you never get me out of your vinyl store. We have a lot of people that hang out all the time, and we love it. Come visit, come hang out.
Yes.
Wasn't it beautiful today? It was. Tomorrow's going to be even better. Jennifer says, I've been wondering about the HTV versus 651. Well, we're going to show you both. Megan says 52 in Ben Salem right now. Awesome.
Whew, that's awesome.
Raining 72 in South Georgia.
Wow.
Nice.
Wow.
Raining near Seattle here.
Wow. So I'll explain this really quickly. I don't know if anybody's familiar with the book. There's a book out there. I absolutely love it. I think it's called I Love You Forever. But that's the saying, I love you forever, I like you for always, as long as I'm living, my baby you'll be. And this is actually my daughter here. I'm giving this to her as a Valentine's Day present. She'll be 2. She'll be 3 in March. And I used an app which I actually put in the description. It's called, I want to say you pronounce it Imagine, but it's spelled different. And it was super simple to just drag. Did I have my phone?
Melissa says, "Oh my God, I love that. My favorite book. I will have to make for my kids." Melissa says, "Yes, I love you forever."
Oh, it's such an awesome book. I think it's awesome. So this is what the app looks like. If you can see that. The Imagine one.
Yep.
Here. All right, and then you just import photo. Now I'll pick this one. Right, that's a fine size for me, but you can crop
She's
it.
so cute.
She's got a little teeny tiny Wawa coffee cup. That's hilarious. Next. And
Wow, that was awesome.
yeah, and that could be it for you. Like, that could be done, but you can also, like, change the threshold, detail. You could get more detail.
So you can adjust
You can
it.
get less detail. Yeah, strokes. Like, they get
Oh,
thicker
wow.
and thinner.
This is the first time I'm seeing the app too.
Freckles, whatever. You could do all different kinds of pictures. I do the ink one here, and then click share, and then like there's a paid version which I do not have, but and it's $1.99 flat. Like, that's it. That's all you pay for it, and then you do JPEG, PNG, PDF, or SVG.
Wow. So it does an SVG for you too.
Yeah, it does. I believe I just saved to gallery. Done. So that's it.
Let me get some-
And then you upload it from your gallery right to your computer.
I just got that app. Yay. She's adorable. She's cute. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. 27, the wind chill of 11. That's cold. The app is fabulous. I love this book. I do a Mother's Day tea performance. Kiddos acting out the book and singing that chorus for the moms. This is a highlight of the year.
It
Moms.
is.
That's awesome. Cool. I need that app.
It's
What's
called
the name of that?
Imagine, and it's in the description. So, type it here. And then we'll go ahead and pin it.
Look at you.
All right, and then here at the bottom, I don't know. I use the Silhouette Cameo, so that's actually my signature there. I wrote out "Love Always, Mommy," and I just signed it with a Sharpie marker and traced it. That was pretty simple. So now let's get some votes here. Do you want me to do it on the white side? Now imagine this frame is finished, white side or the unfinished side. So finished, or should we do white and tan or finished and unfinished? What do you think?
White and tan.
All right, so white or tan?
Cream.
Cream.
Donna said.
Whatever, you guys know what I
Yeah.
mean. Do it on the white
That's what it looks like on the white.
or the cream.
Well, can't we do both? Or we have
I'm
to
not
use
making
one
her
for the other?
two.
Okay. One of each, Jennifer said.
One of each? All right, we'll do one of each.
And then you can do the other one on the other side.
All right.
We're gonna do one of each.
We'll do one of each. Okay. So this is what I did. There might be better options out there on how to do the canvas. I didn't look anything up. I didn't Google what other people were doing. I just did my own thing. So I'm basically just wrapping this canvas around and taping it.
So we're gonna press it first?
Yes, we do, but this is just to line it up.
Ah. Alright, we're gonna do both. One white, one cream, and then we're gonna use the other side for the other project. So you guys can see both.
Now it's in there. I'm going to line it up to where I want it. Looks good?
Beautiful.
All right. So I know that the Caesar gets pressed at usually 205.
305.
I meant to say 305. But you don't have. This isn't going through the washer and dryer, so I'm not using that high of a temp. I don't want to ruin anything on the canvas. It's not that important to me. That's the only reason really that Caesar has that temperature so high.
And look, we attached our Teflon sheet
Yes,
to
we
the
did,
top with magnets.
and I use it at the bottom now too. So there we go again. The Teflon sheet's on the top already. So press this for 15 seconds.
Not finding the app. Sad face. We didn't fix a squeal on the...
As you can tell. So this is the Caesar.
Candy, we do not sell the pressing pillows. Looks good.
Great. Really adhered very well. No complaints. And this was a very cheap, very easy project for me to do. Right, so again, I just put that tape right back on here real quick. Probably threw away my other piece. Nope. And now you can feel, I mean, you can't see them, but you can feel those staples in there. So I'm just cutting around that. Now I imagine I would probably staple this first, second. It didn't really make a difference for me.
Yeah, I guess if you stapled it first.
It'd probably be smarter. Probably a better option. But I'm not even stapling it today. So, because I still want to finish the frame.
Laura, we made it in an app called Imagine.
Yeah.
I had to unpin it because I couldn't see all the comments.
Oh.
If somebody had a 2-line comment, I could only see the beginning half.
I have goals to create a blog based off of this.
Yeah.
But you know how that goes.
Yeah, it's Imagine, Maegine, as the app, as Melinda just said. Thank you, Melinda.
So that's it.
Bam!
Yep. Done.
Is the app on Android phones?
Yes. It links with Adobe as well, which is pretty awesome. Well, why don't we just... What?
I think we're going to run out of juice here.
How many batteries do you have?
But it gave me a warning for 20%.
That's alright. Alright, so now here's the Web Flex. We'll do it on the tan to see how that looks. And
I
then
don't know if it's called anything else on the Android app. I'll look it up. We can post it when we're done.
Yeah, join the news, what's it called? Our newsletter?
Email?
Email?
I didn't find it in Google Play Store. It might be Apple only.
Huh. It said there was Android. I mean, I have an Apple, so. But, alright, so there I lined it up.
Pam, that's a pressing pillow.
Now I'm curious how this WebFlex is going to press at this low temp, because the WebFlex actually is supposed to be at
330.
330. Now the WebFlex is a warm peel.
But Sarah peeled it hot.
Pressed great. That's pretty
Yeah.
warm for me. I don't know why, I really like that unfinished.
Yeah, the mat's nice. Do you find that the pillow helps?
Yes, significantly. And that's it. And again, I would tape it, probably staple it, and then trim it. Cool, right?
Very.
I love